That's a very broad question. You're obviously referring really to the Commerzbank, I would suspect, which is, we built that in 1992. I lived in Frankfurt for a couple of years while we were building that project. And it's still probably the greenest skyscraper in the world. It was built probably 4 years, when it was finished in '94, 4 years before LEED version 1 came out in the USA in 1998. In Germany, the idea of sustainability and the union rules that mean people work close to the outdoor air and get light and views to the outside was far more prevalent as a sort of a thought process. So, but going back to your question, what brings about the idea of gardens in the sky? Well, that particular project was founded in a way by the idea of communal villages and villages in the sky, or breaking down a building into bite-sized pieces of community, and having breakout spaces. So in terms of our work, if you go back to 1975, the Willis-Faber building was a building that used escalators for the vertical transport system in the building instead of elevators. The reason why is because you get more chance meetings on an escalator. People can bump into one another, see one another. It had a green roof in 1975. It had a swimming pool in 1975. So the idea that people interact with one another in the workplace gave rise to the Willis-Faber building. The Willis-Faber building in turn greatly influenced the Hong Kong-Shanghai Bank in Hong Kong and that idea of villages, the way it's broken down. And then when we came to the Commerzbank, another iteration where we had to wrap the building around itself. How did we ventilate the fact that strip of space went around itself in 3 times in a spiral? We needed to create openings that could then take the natural air through, and what better than to put planting up there and have a breakout space for social interaction, and so on and so forth. It's a big question, and I could probably talk a long time about it, but I hope that answers it in some way.